Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are good and taking your classes properly and preparing yourself for your next upcoming exams, your pre-periodic exams. So as in the previous video, we have completed our question and answer of lesson number 4, clean, healthy and fit. Okay, and I hope that was clear to everybody and you all have completed that revision. Now, today in this video, we are just moving forward to our next revision. In that, we are going to do lesson number 4, clean, healthy and fit. Exercise A, that is true and false of the same lesson. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to write the questions. You just copy out the questions and after writing the question, you just write the answers. And after completing your work, just send the pictures to me, okay, or in the class group. So firstly, we are just moving forward to our video first. Students, we are coming up to our next revision of lesson number 4, exercise A, that is true and false. So firstly, I'm writing down the date. Today's date is 20th. Revision. Lesson 4. Clean. Healthy. And fit. So the exercise is true or false. So the first one is we should go to sleep early. We should go to sleep early. Write true or false. Second, we should wear clean and tidy clothes. We should wear clean and tidy clothes. Write true or false. So the third one, yoga keeps our mind hand, body, active. Yoga keeps our mind and body active. You have to write true, whether it is true or false. Okay. Now the fourth one. We should drink very little water. We should drink very little water. You have to write whether it is true, then you write true. Whether it is false, you just write false. Okay. Now the fifth one. We should talk with our mouths full. We should talk with our mouth full. Is it true or false? You just write the answer after the question. Now we are just moving forward to our homework. Your homework is, you have to learn lesson 4, exercise C. Fill in the missing word with do's and don'ts. Okay, you have to learn exercise C, and here your lesson number 4 revision is completed after the exercise C. Okay. Hope this video is clear to everybody and you all have completed your work. After completing your work, just click the picture of your work properly and send it to me or in the class group for checking. Okay. Now we are just coming up to your homework. Your homework is, you have to learn exercise C, that is given on page number 27. This exercise, do's and don'ts. Okay. You have to learn this exercise by your heart for your next revision. Okay. This is your today's homework. You have to learn exercise C of lesson number 4, clean, healthy and fit, for your next revision. Thank you so much.